If you want to create viral Rico animation videos and start making money with your animation skills this year, don't skip this video. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to create this funny Rico running stomach toilet animation using FlipaClip and free images. No drawing needed. If you are new here, subscribe and follow so that you don't miss more beginner friendly animation tutorial. Now let's jump in. Before we start, open your FlipaClip app. If you want the same FlipaClip premium app I'm using, comment I'm interested in the FlipaClip premium and I will show you how to get it. Now let's begin. Click on that plus icon. Now you have to name your project. Okay, so I'm going to click over there and then I'm going to give this project a name. Okay, so I'll just call it Rico toilet animation. I'll click on done. Then I have to import a background, so click on that background icon over there in order to add a background. So I used the Rico Cartoons app to get a background, so I will just select the toilet background I've already created. See it here, toilet background. I will click on it. So you see that the toilet background is looking attractive. So you have to position it properly and then you have to mark it and import it into the project. So I'm okay with it like this, so I'll click on that button over there in order to import it. Then the next thing is to set up your canvas size. So canvas size means aspect ratio, and this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to the first one, YouTube 1080p. That is the normal landscape for YouTube videos. Then I'll go back, then I'll click on create project. Let us start the animation. Okay, I'll click on create project. Now we are on the interface of FlipaClip. Now we have to import our characters. Okay, so click on that three more button over there, then click on add image in order to import your Rico character. So I also use that my app to get this Rico character. So I will select the first frame. Okay, so then the next thing for you to do at this point, now you need to stage the character. Okay, so before you animate, you position the character in the center of the screen so that your audience can see the character easily and understand what is happening. Okay, as you can see, I already designed the Rico character we'll be using for this animation, so there won't be any need for me to draw anything. I created this with a special cartoon character app that lets me design any character in minutes. If you want to get the Rico Cartoons character app, join my YouTube membership. And if you want to learn how to create your own cartoon characters, make your viral Rico animation videos, and even monetize your animation skills using your phone or laptop, then join my animation class. Simply send me a message on WhatsApp using the number on the screen or comment I'm interested. I will send you the details. Now let's continue making the tutorial. The next thing for you to do is to click on that plus icon in order for you to time your animation, because timing is very important. If you time your animation, it will feel so smooth. Okay, so I'll add like 3 frames, okay, where the character body is in a neutral position. So you see now we now have 3 frames per second where the character is just there looking. Okay, so this is the beginning part. This timing is very important. Okay, then after doing that, then click and hold that plus button. Now you have to set this thing to the first one. Okay, add new frame, because you are animating post to post animation. Okay, so set it to add new frame, then click on that plus icon. Now let us add a new pose. Now this pose we are going to add now will have a secondary action, which is the leg movement. Okay, you know the main action of this video is the learning stomach, but then you need to add a leg movement. Okay, because the character is already sitting on the toilet, so that leg movement should create a secondary action. It is one of the principles of animation. So use your lasso tool to select the character, then put it into the toilet again, but then we're going to animate some leg movement and make sure that he's sitting on the toilet seats properly. Okay, so that you will maintain the same consistency in character. So now this is the frame 4, so let us add frame 5. Okay, now this frame 5 is just all about the leg movement. So anyhow you will do it, but just add that leg movement ahead. That will create a secondary action, because while the stomach is already is running. So you need to add more emotion and make the scene more funny. So this leg movement is a way we make the story to be to add more emotion to the story, and at the same time we make the scene funny, because now the leg is now moving. People that see the video will be like, it will be funny to them. They will laugh. They will be like, oh more, this character is really having a learning stomach. Oh, you see. So that leg movement is very, very important. Okay, so it's also part of exaggeration, because if you observe the face of this character now, we added exaggeration. So cartoon animation, it is more entertaining when you exaggerate the movement a little bit. Okay, instead of us keeping the head, let's go to frame viewers now. Now we have already added those two key poses of secondary action. Let us now copy those two poses, that leg movement poses that we did. So you copy the two, then you are going to continue to copy and paste them, because that leg movement need to last for some time. Okay, so I'm going to do just that here. I will just select these two, then I'll copy the frames, then I'll paste it. So I'll paste it up to like 4 or 5 times, so that there will be a constant leg movement. That secondary action will make this animation to be more funny. Okay, then now we have finished adding. So let us go back. So if you play the video now, let us play the video and see. You see that leg movement happening. So let us continue building this animation, because we are not done yet. Okay, now we have added those leg movement. It is time for us to add the main thing, which is the learning stomach. So click on that plus icon, then click on that more button. Let us add the new frame for the actual squash and stretch of the stomach. So like you can see, I just designed and I named it properly so that I will not get confused. You see, so I will import the first frame now. Now if you observe this one now, you see there is just a slight movement happening around the chest part. So there is a kind of squash and stretch going on there, because the previous frame was normal, while this one now is already squashing. So that is the leg, that is the stomach, the running stomach we are talking about. So but at the same time, still position the character to stand properly on the screen. Okay, yes, position it to stand properly on the screen. So this animation now, it is made with frame by frame. Okay, but if you want to learn more and animate faster, I will show you how to make animation faster. Okay, in my animation class you will learn switch selection, bone rigging. These two powerful techniques helps make animation easier on both your phone or laptop. I will teach you everything step by step, from creating 2D and 3D cartoon animation to building skills you need to create professional videos and even make money with animation. Now let's continue with the tutorial. So this second pose, now you can see the actual what I'm talking about, that the stomach is now coming out. So this is squashing. The stomach is now squashing. So we see that we applied squash and stretch animation principles here. Okay, so as the character stomach is doing squash and stretch slightly, it makes the stomach look it make the stomach feel much more alive. Do you understand? So now we have added the squash and stretch. Let us add the third squash and stretch again, because it is important that we emphasize that squash and stretch very well. Okay, so that people will know that okay, this character is really having a running stomach. And you can see that this one is the stretching. The stomach have already stretched out, indicating that the physics is about to pass out. Okay, so guys, always take note of all those important details. Okay, that squash and stretch is a very useful animation principles, and I would advise you to add it in your animation as often as you can, because it makes the animation to feel much more alive. Okay, so guys, now we are done. Okay, so what we will do now, we are going to add the end frame, because at the end of the day you need to add that end frame. Okay, that will also help you in the timing of your animation. Okay, it makes a big difference if your animation have an end frame. As you can see, let me just add my end frame now, and then you see the end frame. Now we have already dropped the physics now, so his body have already returned. His stomach is no longer doing squash and stretch, although we just gave him that face expression, indicating that he is feeling more relieved now. So what you do now is that So now that you have already finished defecating, just position the character again in the toilet like this, then guys, you are done. But then just time this end frame. Okay, we'll do like 2 frame. Yes, we repeat this end frame like 2 frames so that the animation will not feel too fast. Okay, so let us do the thing immediately. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to click on that plus icon, then I'll switch back to clone last frame so that it is going to clone last frame each time I press the plus button. Okay, so now we've already added this one now, so we are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. We are good to go. So but let us, that end frame, that final scratch and stretch, now we need to establish that particular movement. So let us add this something like 2 times so that we can establish that movement. Okay, so now we are done. So now we just click on the frame, click and hold it, then you have to copy it, and then you have to paste it on the next frame. Okay, so this will make the animation very complete, guys. So let us play the video and see what we have so far. So let us play the video now. Okay, the animation came out really funny. If you have any question, ask me in the comment. I will reply your question as soon as I can. If you have music, add your music, but then let us export this video. Okay, so click on that button, make movie, in order to export your animation. The FlipaClip app I'm using is a premium version, so all the advanced features are unlocked and there is no FlipaClip watermark on this exported video. If you want to get the same FlipaClip premium I'm using, comment I'm interested in FlipaClip premium and I will send it to you. Now let us export the video. Okay, so let us play the video now. You see, so that's all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you are serious about creating your own cartoon characters and making animations videos, I invite you to join my animation class. I will teach you step by step how to create characters, animate on your smartphone or laptop, create 2D and 3D animation, even turn your animation skills into income. When you join the class, you will get access to the animation apps and software I use, including the premium Rico Cartoons app, plus my complete training, the project file, and guidance on finding animation opportunities, building your own portfolio, and connecting with animation studios that hire talented animators for paid projects. If you are ready to start your animation journey, send me a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen. Check the link in the description or comment I'm interested. I will send you the details. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone that wants to learn animation. I've created over 50 Rico animation tutorials in one playlist. Click the Rico animation tutorial playlist on your screen to keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.